Hey everyone, Alex here, and today I am diving straight into a super practical workflow that will save you hours of frustration. We are going to solve two major creator headaches: cleaning up messy, echoey audio and then turning that long footage into viral shorts without losing your mind. First, let's talk about the nightmare scenario where your audio is ruined by background hums, fan noise, or just sounds like a hollow, empty room. I'm going to show you how to use NVIDIA Broadcast, which is a powerful free tool to strip away that unwanted noise in real time. Since NVIDIA Broadcast does not give you a direct export file, you will need a simple audio recorder to capture the clean output. Open up your audio recording software and set the input to capture the system loopback, which effectively records whatever clean audio Broadcast produces. Once you have that set up, toggle the noise removal feature in NVIDIA Broadcast and listen to that background hiss simply vanish instantly. It truly feels like magic when you play back your clip and the annoying phone ringing or HVAC hum in the background is completely silenced. You then hit record on your audio software, play your video file, and capture that crisp, clean audio directly as a high-quality WAV file. After you finish recording, you just drop that clean WAV file into your editing software, sync it up with the video, and you are good to go. If you are dealing with room echo, you can use the Beta Room Echo Removal tool in Broadcast to tighten up the sound significantly. I recommend dialing the echo removal strength back to about 70% to keep the voice sounding natural without that weird metallic sheen. Always remember that nothing beats capturing perfect audio on set with a decent microphone, but this method is a lifesaver for archived footage. Now let's move to the second half of this process: how to turn that now clean long-form video into high-performing short content. I have started using Vizard for this because it handles the heavy lifting of cutting, cropping, and scheduling, which saves me hours of manual labor. Vizard isn't for cleaning audio, it is an AI tool designed to identify the best, most engaging moments in your long videos. When you drop your file into Vizard, the AI automatically picks out the viral potential in your content, like funny reveals or quick, punchy tips. It handles the difficult job of finding those specific hooks and turns them into ready-to-post clips with captions and perfect cropping. What I really love is the content calendar feature, which lets me see everything I've planned in one clear, organized place. This means I'm not jumping between 5 different tabs or manual spreadsheets just to keep my posting schedule consistent and active. You can set your posting frequency and target platforms, and the system handles the publishing, letting you focus on the creative side of things. This workflow is my go-to now because it turns that manual drudge work of editing and scheduling into a streamlined, automated production line. If you are trying to grow a channel, remember that consistency beats perfection, and automation tools are your best friend for staying the course. I really hope this little workflow helps you fix your audio and speed up your output so you can spend less time editing and more time creating. If you want me to break down specific Vizard tricks like editing subtitles in bulk or mastering the content calendar, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like the video if this was useful, and I will catch you all in the next one.